What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Source ADV. I'm Mark Jackson. Today I've got a very cool bike. It's a 1979 Yamaha RD400 Daytona Special. It is day 9 of the COVID quarantine, and I'm looking for things to do. So I'm going to refinish the exhaust pipes today. The black paint has been worn down by gas and oil dripping from the carbs, and yeah, I want to make those things look cherry. You know, it's not every day that you see a two-stroke, two-cylinder street bike. It's a really cool bike. It is a terrible sounding bike in the best way possible. If you love two-strokes, you'll love this bike. My neighbors definitely hate it a lot whenever I fire it up, but it is a really cool bike that hauls pretty good for an old machine, even though it's only got 40 to 50 horsepower. Even with this one's got like a performance package with the pipes, and it's been rejetted, and it's got a K&N Y style air filter. Basically it's 2-to-1 into like a K&N filter here, but it's still a very fun bike, a very unique bike. So let's get into refinish these pipes, and I'll show you how I'm going to clean them up and paint them, and we'll see what we get. Let's do it. So this is really cool, actually. Originally I thought I was going to repaint these flat black, but as I get into it, you can actually see the bluing of the welds in the metal. And I did test it. It is mild steel, it's just steel, but I think I'm gonna clear coat these instead of painting them black to kind of show off that factory two-stroke look. It could look really cool on this bike. So I think that's gonna be the path. I just gotta get these fully cleaned up. Yeah, I'm gonna show you this other one here. They'll look really nice with just some clear on them to keep them from rusting. I love that kind of factory raw look. You know, there are some scratches here and there, so maybe what I'll do is hit them with a Brillo pad or something like that without trying to scratch them up too much, but it is really cool looking pipe. Although I love this, the look of the blued steel with the welds. So let's see if we can accentuate that and show that versus making these things black again. Okay, so I've just spent about an hour cleaning up these guys, and as you can see, there's definitely more corrosion on the pipe here than I was expecting. So I'm gonna just throw them onto the bike right now without doing any coating or anything like that, and see how they look, so I can decide whether I want to keep them like this or just spray paint them black again. Because yeah, there's definitely some scratches and stuff that could be hidden, and there's definitely some corrosion that could be hidden if they were black versus raw like this. So let's throw it on the bike and see what it looks like. Wow. I really am torn here. I can't decide whether this pipe looks better than the black or not. I mean, in some ways it actually looks closer to the original pipes, which were chrome, but in other ways the black cans on the bottom really look clean and kind of tidy. This just kind of looks like it might be like somebody threw something on, you know? Like it's not totally right, but not totally wrong either. Oh man. Let's see. I mean, that does look pretty cool. I really don't know. All right, so I've decided to put it out to the internet. I've got a poll running on Instagram with the two pictures, the black pipes and the raw pipes like this. And I asked, should I keep them raw or go black again? And thus far, there's a lot of responses which are, say a little bit silly according to raw, but overall people are leaning to black. So let's let the internet choose here and see which one's better. And the results came back that by a slim margin, everybody likes the raw pipes more than the black pipes. So I'm gonna pull them back off, hit it with a coat of clear, and then do the curing process, which on this bike will be just idling it for a bit, getting the pipes hot, and then I'll probably go for a little ride with it. But yeah, so we're gonna keep them raw. Worst case, in the future, I can always just repaint them black, use the clear as a primer, or just strip them again and prime them, and then or have them ceramic coated black or something like that. So yeah, let's get these coated and throw them back on and cured, and then do a little sound bite of the bike for you. Thank you guys for watching and tuning into Source ADV. If you want to see some other videos with this bike, I'm going to be posting kind of an overview and a ride with the bike as well. So please subscribe to the channel. We've also got some cool videos on adventure bikes and modifying a 2020 Tacoma. So please follow, subscribe, whatever, share this video. Let me know if you have any questions or comments. Please note too that the refinishing of these Spec II expansion chambers is just a temporary fix. Like if I keep the bike forever, I'll probably go have these either ceramic coated or something along those lines and professionally done. This is just to protect the chambers for right now and see if I like the look and feel. So before you start going crazy about spray on ceramic header paint, don't worry about it. It's not long term, and there are better options than what I just did. But for right now, I really want to see what the bike looks like with raw pipes, and so this is a great way to do so and also protect the pipes. But yeah, it's a great bike. It's really cool. Thank you for tuning in.